Hi, Leanne here, bringing tap dance to you from Chez Moi. I was asked recently if I would video a couple of the routines that we've been doing in class lately. And I thought, well, I'm sure there are other tappers out there with a little experience who would also appreciate it. So I thought I'd share it with you today. Please bear in mind that you are taking part at your own risk. So if you have any concerns or health conditions, please do check with your GP before starting. Always use pain as your gauge. If it hurts, don't do it. If you should feel unwell at any time, stop. Thank you for your understanding. Now enjoy the video. Let's start with a warm-up. Okay, here we go with some knee bends. That's it, nice and loose. Rising up on the toes. Now down and up. That's it. Nice and relaxed. Okay, straight taps. To the side. Other side. We're going to go forward and round. And the other foot. Now back and round. And change. Don't miss a beat like I did. Keep going. Now shuffle step to the side this time. Nice and easy. With a heel. And heel. To the side with a heel. One more. Let's take it up a bit. Shuffle, step. To the side. Drop the heel in. Now just toe heel. Now we do it on the spot. Bit quicker. Nice and even. Faster still. Lovely. Now just heel, pick up and heel. Heel, pick up, toe and heel. Quicker. Okay, let's try some ins and outs. And back the other way. Bit quicker still. And back. Okay, twisting, parallel kick, twist. And back. Let's try and separate the toes and heels. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. And back. Now toe, heel. That's it, just nice and casual, nice and loose knees, loose ankles. Tick tock. And change. To 3 and 2. Now singles. Heel pick up challenge. And heels. And back to heels. And heel pick up change. Now let's just take a little stretch there, because we're working those legs. Hold it. Good. And let's do the other one as well. You should be feeling nice and energized now and ready to try our routine. So give your little legs a shake, give your hands a shake, and we're good to go. Okay, and now for the breakdown. So what we're going to do to start off our routine, we're going to turn and face the side. Okay, and the first 8 counts of the music, we're just going to let go, and then we're going to start our clicking for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we do 2 stomps coming forward, and that goes in 2 groups of 2. So a 1, a 2, and as you come up through the knees, you're rotating through the waist. Then we start our slide and ball change. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do 4 toe heels in a box step, going forward, over, back, back. And there's a little accent, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. And as we do this, the arms are going to come up on the first 4 and forward and down on the second 4. So we get 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Then we go into our brushes. So we're going to turn slightly towards the corner. If you've got pockets, you can put your hands in the pockets. If not, just pretend. And we just casually swing and brush forward and across the knee, a little toe beat and a clap. And then 3 ball changes, going in front, behind, in front, traveling forward, and 5 and 6 and 7, step 8. We go for a 4-beat riff round in a circle 4 times. So right and left and right and left. So we've got and 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 4 and 2. Then we take our heel toe heel on the right and on the left to join it. A little stomp on 2 feet and a clap. Run back on the toes for 4 and a 3 and a 2 and a 1. And ball change, clap forward. And 5 and click, and then ball change backwards, and 7, 8. We do 4 tap step ball changes coming forward. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. The toe heel going in a box, but again, this time we're taking a circle. So we go forward, side and side, forward, side and side. 2 stomps on the your left foot. 1, 2, step. Flick the leg and 2 clicks, holding, click, click, step, ball change, ball change. Then heel pick up change for 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss a beat, 3 more, and a 3 and a 2 and a 1. Miss a beat, step on the foot, take a little flick kick over, cross, and a twirl to finish. And a nice finishing pose. That's the breakdown finished. Now let's perform it together. Okay, now for the breakdown. So we're going to start with the weight on your left foot, and we're going to start with a Susie cue. So heel shuffle step, 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Same back the other way. 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Now we're going to break it down to half. So 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7. 2 singles, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, rock back 4, spring toe, step, 5 and 7, 8. Little accent there. Heel toe shuffle to the side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, letting the foot drag. Now you're going to heel pick up change, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Nice and even there. Bang, bang, beat the drum. And then heel pick up changes moving back, 4 and a 3 and a 2 and a 1 and a tap for 5 all the way round in a circle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We step behind, ball change, ball change, ball change, crossing in front, behind, in front. Step, turn, step. Pick up ball, change step, pick up ball, change step, sailor style. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 2 little stumps coming forward, click high. 2 back and kick low. And then 7 little stumps coming forward, 5 and a 6 and a 7, clap 8. We've completed the breakdown. Now let's do it together with the music. Okay, so that's both of our routines completed now. We'll just have a little quick stretch out. So let's do some calf stretches. Take quite a long calf stretch because we've got heels on, just so that we really feel the benefit, and just hold that there for a moment. There you go. So the heel's nice and flat at the back and the knee is bent at the front with straight back leg. So we just hold that there. Nice, lovely. That's it. Fabulous. Okay, right, let's give that one a shake out. And the same on the other foot. And just hold it there. That's it, nice straight back leg and a bent front knee. And you should feel a nice stretch in the back of your lower leg. There we go. So just holding that there. Fantastic. Okay, and relax out of that and give it a little shake. All right, just circle your arms, circle your ankles even. All right, so we're going to take one way and the other way. Just give those a little relax. I feel like I should do arms now. I've talked about them as well. So we're just going to stretch across the arms because we have been using them a bit today. That's it, and change direction with the ankle. So we're multitasking as well. That's it. And let's stretch the other arm out as well. Just because it's just nice when you're stuck indoors all the time to give yourself a bit of a shakedown. That's it. So we just stretch those arms as well. That's it. And just hold it there. If that's uncomfortable, you can push up this way. Just give your triceps a little go there. And the same on the other side. That's wonderful. And shake it all loose. And just give your shoulders a roll and your head. Thank you for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed taking part. And remember, you can always rewind back to the bits you're not sure of and go over them as many times as you want to. Don't forget to like my Facebook page for any future updates. See you soon.